Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to your Nash wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Nash app. Then you have to go to the settings icon, which is on the bottom right corner. Just tap on the settings icon. And in the settings menu, you will have to find the payment method icon, which is the third one here on the list at the general section. And when you tap on it, it's going to show you if you already added one of your bank accounts, or if you did not, then you will see this page. As you can see, no bank accounts linked. Now, if I want to link my bank account, I just have to tap on it here and I can link it, link my bank account here. You have to add your name, your bank, and then you have to add your IBAN code, and then just tap on add bank account, and you can use that bank account for your payment methods on your Nash wallet. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.